Hello and welcome to the On-Demand Updates. I'm your host Sheen Musa, here to bring you the latest developments from the world of ride-sharing, car rentals and mobility solutions. This week, we have seen some exciting moves and shifts in the industry across the globe. So let's dive into what's happening in the world, shall we? Starting in the United States, ride-sharing giant Uber has announced a new partnership with autonomous vehicle startup Aurora to accelerate the development of self-driving cars. This collaboration aims to bring fully autonomous rides to selected cities by 2025. Meanwhile, Lyft is growing its electric vehicle program by giving drivers rewards for switching to EVs. This is part of their plan to have all the rides on their platform use electric vehicles by 2030. Over in the United Kingdom, the ride-sharing and car rental scene has been buzzing as Zipcar introduced its new pay-as-you-go rental option, which is designed to cater to the growing demand for flexible, short-term vehicle rentals. In addition, London-based mobility firm Bolt has launched its electric bike-sharing service in several new cities, furthering its commitment to sustainable urban transportation. In China, Didi Chuxing, the country's largest ride-sharing company, has unveiled plans to expand its electric vehicle fleet significantly. The company is working with Chinese automakers to develop EV models significantly designed for ride-sharing, aiming to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Additionally, Didi is ramping up its international expansion with a focus on Latin America and Southeast Asia. Shifting our focus to Dubai, the Roads and Transport Authority has launched a pilot program for autonomous air taxis, marking a futuristic leap in mobility solutions. The air taxis, developed by a German startup, are expected to undergo rigorous testing before being integrated into the city's transport network. In parallel, Careem, the leading ride-sharing service in the Middle East, is rolling out a new super app that consolidates multiple services, including ride-hailing, food delivery, and digital payments into one platform. So that wraps up this week's Global Mobility Update. I'm your host Sheen Musa and thank you for joining us today. Remember to subscribe and follow us for the latest news in mobility and transportation. Until next time, stay safe and travel smart.